Hi guys, how are you doing all? Hope you are doing well. As you know that after the pandemic, COVID-19 is getting slow now, Alhamdulillah, thanks to God. So now the things are getting a little bit good, and companies has started with interviews and walk-in interviews. So today I have chosen the topic how to prepare for a walk-in interview. Just as the name suggests, in a walk-in interview, a candidate can simply walk into the interview venue without taking any prior appointment. Walk-in interviews are generally conducted by companies on selected dates and time slots for the initial screening of candidates. These shortlisted candidates are then contracted for further rounds. Let's start. First of all, learn about the company. Never head to an interview without reading about the company. Go through the website of the company to understand its nature of work. Also, read about us or who we are section to understand the background of the company from their websites. Furthermore, have a look at its social media pages to learn about the posts it has recently made. You can also type the company name in the search engines and check if there is any recent news or update about it. Second is common interview questions. Before going for a walk-in interview, make sure to prepare well. Go through the most common HR interview questions and answers to boost your confidence. Trust us, you will feel much more relaxed during the interview sessions. And I have shared already the HR questions and answers in my previous video, which is interview, so you can have a look on that. The third thing is the resume. A resume is the most important document in a walk-in interview. It is the basis of conversation between you and the interviewer. Update your resume, proofread it to avoid any spelling or grammatical errors, and print it out. Always carry multiple hard copies of the resume. The fourth thing is important documents and identity proof. It is advisable to carry important educational and professional documents to a walk-in interview. Carry the important documents in a file or a folder and organize them neatly. Also keep a pen and notepad with you as well. Furthermore, carry ID proof with you as you might be required to present it while entering the company office. The fifth is address and directions. Double check the venue of the walk-in interview. If you plan to take public transport, learn about the best way to commute and check the timing in advance. On the other hand, if you choose to drive to the venue, make sure to check the route and direction beforehand. Look presentable. The sixth point. This one is of the most important points to consider when it comes to walk-in interview. Choose a formal piece of clothing and make sure the fit it to comfortable. Dress according to the weather. For instance, avoid wearing very dark colors in summers. Instead, go for bright shades and light materials. Keep your hair well groomed, combed and neat. Wear comfortable footwear. Most importantly, do not forget to wear a smile. Seventh point, be polite and patient. As walk-in interviewer take place without any prior appointment, it is very likely that several candidates will appear for the interview at the same time. Be patient as chances are you might have to wait for your turn. Most importantly, be polite to fellow candidates, smile and have patience while waiting for your call. You can also read a book or just sit quietly while waiting for your turn. Number 8, be on time. Generally, it is best to head for the walk-in interviews during the first hour of the mentioned time slot. During the initial hours, there might be fewer candidates at the venue and the interviewer might also be fresh. Ninth point is communicate well. Practice explaining your resume since the interviewer might spend most of the time discussing it. Be sure to speak with confidence and sound convincing. If English is not your first language, take help from applications from the net and practice, practice, and practice. The 10th is body language and posture. Your body language speaks volumes about you. Be confident in your own skin, sit comfortably, smile, and make eye contact with the interviewer. While in waiting area, look active and aware. Do not hunch or laze around. Number 11 is thank the interviewer. Before leaving the interviewer room, thank the interviewer for his time. Be polite and let him know it was a pleasure meeting him. Walk-in interview are great for practicing your interview and communication skills. Just be organized and well prepared, and we are sure that you will land your desired job super soon. Thank you so much for watching your video. Hope you guys enjoyed and will be learning more and more. And I just want to request you that if you like to have to me share any topic which is you want me to communicate with you, please comment below, and then I will prepare myself to discuss further. Thank you so much. Have a great day.